Hi guys, this is Schwaku7. I'm in my basement gym, and this will be an unboxing video of the Syedee Leg Extension leg curl machine that I bought from Temu.com. And Temu.com is a Chinese company that offers exercise equipment at incredibly low prices. And I purchased the Syedee Ultimate Leg Powerhouse Dual Action Extension and Curl Machine off of Temu for $203.14. And the Chinese companies have been accused of slashing prices to capture more market share. And if you're looking to buy affordable gym equipment, then Temu.com is definitely a website that you might want to check out, because their prices are much lower than Walmart.com or Amazon.com or eBay.com. And the money you save you can use to buy other exercise equipment or food or pay utility bills or whatever you want to do with it. But I'm going to go ahead and open this up and let's see if the products they sell is as good as the products they sell here in the United States. So I ordered the leg extension leg curl machine on October 3rd, 2024 at 1:45 p.m. It was shipped the next day on October 4th, 2024 at 12:21 p.m. And as you can see, the shipment was processed by FedEx and it was delivered to my home on October 6, 2024 at 10:43 a.m. So I received this less than 3 days after I ordered it. I'm very pleased with the fast shipment I got from Temu.com. I was reluctant to buy off of Temu.com because I didn't know whether it was a scam company or not. But when I found out about the tariffs that Trump says that he wants to impose, and Trump has vowed to slap a 60% tariff on all Chinese products. He has proposed a 60% tariff on goods from China and a tariff of up to 20% on everything else the United States imports. So this includes other exercise equipment which is imported from outside the United States. And there's quite a few exercise companies like Pepin and Bells of Steel, and a lot of exercise equipment from England. So if you're thinking about buying exercise equipment, I suggest you do it by January 2025 because the tariffs will probably be imposed. And this is what it looks like when you open up the box. And these are the parts after you take off the plastic wrapping. The bolts and the washers and the nuts. They come in a shrink wrap cardboard packets, which is good because I know I haven't lost any nuts or bolts. And before you remove the zip ties, remember the zip ties are keeping bearings in place. So I suggest you keep the zip ties there until you actually install it. The wrenches they provide do work, but I highly recommend that you use a number 17 wrench because it works a lot better. Step 1 is completed. It's easy to do. It's just putting in 4 bolts. But make sure when you put this together that this hole is facing upward, because in step 2 you have to attach that post. So step 2 is complete, and all it was bolting in this small post, attaching this piece to the main frame, and bolting in the large post. Step 3 is complete. Step 3 was connecting this piece to the frame, connecting this piece to this piece to this piece. And step 4 is complete. And it was just putting these 2 rollers on the frame. And they bolt right in. It's easy. And step 5 is complete. And step 5 was connecting this piece to the frame and these 2 handles. So it's pretty easy. The instruction says you need 2 people to assemble this, but I've been doing it by myself and I've had no difficulty. Step 6 is complete, and all it was sliding this in here, adding the knob, and bolting this to the frame with this long bolt. And there's a pop pin here, so you can adjust it. It has different settings. And the last step was attaching the backrest and the seat, and they bolted right in. That was easy to do. So it's now assembled, and I just threw a 45-pound rope plate on there just to try it out. So all in all, I like the machine for the leg curls, but not for the leg extension. And the backrest is adjustable. There's a pop pin where I can extend it or make it shorter if I wish. And the seat is adjustable too. There's a pop pin that you can adjust the seat. So all in all, I like the machine for the leg curls, but not for the leg extension. The problem with the leg extension on this machine is that this machine pivots here, and it takes the stress, the tension off the first half of the movement. So when I do a leg extension, there's no tension from here to here. So the first half of the movement, there's no tension. Now there is tension here, but I'm not getting the full movement. I'm only getting a partial rep. So for leg extension, this is not a good machine. But it is a good machine for leg curls. So for leg extension, it's a no-go for me, but for leg curls, it is a go. Okay guys, that's all for this video. All in all, I'm glad I bought the machine. I don't like the leg extension, but I have 2 other leg extension machines, so I can still do leg extensions on my SoloFlex, and I have a bench with a leg extension attachment, so I can do leg extensions there too. On this machine, I feel tension on the second half of the movement, but not the first half. But the leg curl makes up for it. The leg curl portion is excellent, in my opinion. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.